Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I am attempting to fix these decals. So I did get a lot of comments saying try the hairdryer, so I'm going to give that a go and we'll see how we get on. Okay, so I've got my hairdryer here and I'm going to cut one of these out. I'm just literally cutting the page out because obviously this holder is no use anymore. It's done enough damage already, so there we go. Right, so this is the page. It has got a back to it, so I'm going to cut that off. So literally it is the backing with the decals on them. I'm going to leave this end on here because I'm going to start on this end, so I think it would be helpful to have something to kind of peel with. Okay, so my hairdryer is here and I'm going to put it on the mid setting, so it will be medium speed and medium heat. So I'll probably fast forward this bit so you don't have to sit through it. I'm going to try peeling and see what happens. It's still definitely stuck. No. Try that again. Okay. Still not working. Okay. This is coming off, but I'm wondering if it's taken kind of the top layer with it as well. Okay. The problem you get is as soon as you put the hairdryer on, it blows it back over that anyway. Right, it's off. What I'm going to do now is test it and see if these will actually transfer still, or if they've lost something of the the top layer. Okay, so it's had a little soak. I'll get a wipe. I'm just going to dry that off a little bit, just to get some of that water off. Okay, so I'm not sure if you saw that, but I'm patting it to get the water off so that it would actually stick onto the nail as you normally would. and all of the colours just come off on there, and now this is folded in on itself, so that is not very useful. Let me try that again. Okay, so that's dipped. I can't dry it, so I'm just going to try and tip as much of that water off as I can. And then I'm going to see if I can lift it off and onto my nail. Yep. Nope. It's just gone like gummy. Right, one last try, and I will give it a go with my stamper because that's my tried and true method. So you can already see there it's folded up on itself. I don't think the colour is staying as it should because it's all just kind of running off. So I think it's taken the top layer of it. So I don't think this is going to work either. Sorry, I've just kicked the camera. Just trying to get as much of that water off as I can. Oh God. Okay. So this is my tried and true method. This is how I do my decals normally. So you can see there when you press on it, it's, you see that? All of that is just smushing around. So that's definitely not going to work. And now it's made a mess of my stamper because that's not going to come off. Just to show you that I'm not being crazy and I do know how to use decals, I'm just going to give you an example of my decals. Decal out. Dab off the water. Pick up on the stamper. Slide the backing paper off. And you have a decal. So I do definitely know how to use decals. Just before anyone says, you're doing it wrong. I know how to use them. And this is what it should look like. But obviously something has happened to that top layer where it's been stuck to the paper and it's taken it off. So now the top layer isn't protected. So if you have any other suggestions, do let me know. But yeah, the hairdryer technique didn't work on this occasion. So back to the drawing board, unfortunately. So there we go. I hope this video wasn't too random and you wanted to see the outcome of this. But yeah, as always, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.